Unlock the power of your Visa gift card for seamless payments with Venmo. First things first, open your Venmo app on your smartphone. Tap on the menu icon, typically found in the top corner of your screen. This will expand the navigation options. From the menu, look for and select the option that says Add Bank or Card. This is where we'll link your Visa gift card. On this screen, ensure you've selected the card option. You'll then see fields to enter your card details. Now, carefully enter your Visa gift card number into the designated field. Double check for accuracy. Next, input the expiration date of your gift card, choosing the correct month and year. Enter the security code, also known as the CVV, which is usually found on the back of your Visa gift card. Finally, enter the billing zip code associated with your Visa gift card. This is often the zip code used when you purchased or activated the card. Once all the information is entered correctly, tap the Add Card or Done button to finalize the process. And just like that, your Visa gift card is now linked to your Venmo account. You can now use the balance on your gift card for payments and money transfers directly through Venmo. Enjoy the convenience of using your Visa gift card for all your Venmo transactions.